Hello everyone, I'm Maria Kondzielska and you are watching Poland Daily Culture. And today is actually more Poland Daily Cooking because we're still cooking vegan dishes for you. We are in the middle of preparing spaghetti bolognese but without meat in a vegan way. We already have the onions and the carrots and the garlic in the pan, which is getting ready. And I will add a little bit more of green celery. Actually, you have to buy the whole big one just to get a little bit more. I would say it's unfair. It's a bad deal, but yeah, we add them.
We can cut some more.
Yeah, cut some more
Yes.
so I don't feel bad that we bought so much.
Definitely, we need to remember the seasoning.
The seasoning is already right now, yes?
We are adding it right now, so like a mix of herbs.
Do we add any salt or do we add any
Definitely salt.
salt
Yes.
and pepper? Yeah, there's a lot of salt. And I'm adding pepper. You tell me when to stop.
Definitely. Yes. Thank you.
So you won't die because I only add pepper. The rest is doing Marisha. But Marisha, between the cooking, in the previous episode you told us that you entered a vegan restaurant as a chef and you stayed after your shift or you came in the 5 a.m. just to cook. I would die. But so you became really passionate about it.
I loved it. It was like, you know, like doing your hobby, and then they were paying you. So it's absolutely amazing. You enjoy.
What kind of dishes did you prepare there?
Well, we have different kind of stuff. So, like for example, gluten-free pancakes, and it's on quinoa and buckwheat flour, and then you actually bake them instead of frying them. So yes, so they are like different approach to cuisine, you know, to cooking.
Yes.
That's what I was talking before. Like you learn so many new different ways how to prepare your meal, and usually it's way more healthy and you feel much better. So you don't really want to go back. You are like, wow, I feel amazing. So why would you go back to the, you know,
Meat eating. So back to the story. You were cooking in the vegan restaurant,
and I'm jumping to the sushi.
Why did
place.
you turn to the sushi thing?
Like I wanted to be more specific and be more prepared as a chef, because like there is no proper vegan chef education. Like I wasn't aware back then about it. So like again, this vegan queen of Copenhagen, she advised me like go and be a student at the sushi place, so you can learn the basics, how to hold a knife, how to, you know, all the knife skills,
Yes.
how to work under pressure, because like
Sushi
it's
is
crazy.
pressure.
Well, yeah, because it's really good, this place.
Yes.
You get like tickets all the time. Like for lunch you have 150 people. For the dinner you have another 150. It's crazy. It's small kitchen. It's open kitchen, so the guests can see everything. It's in Tivoli Hotel. It has amazing sky bar, beautiful view, like 360 for whole Copenhagen. It's amazing, and I learned so much there. While I was there, I have discovered that there is a vegan culinary academy that I could attend. It was in United States, so I was like, okay, what to do now? And then they were having a pop-up store in Barcelona.
Oh, I see.
So this is like the tomato passata, tomato
Yes.
puree. We are adding it right now. Yes. Now we have the chopped tomato.
Yes.
So now it should be cooking for like at least 15 minutes for the flavor to increase.
You were in Copenhagen.
Then I'm moving to Barcelona.
And you're moving to Barcelona, not knowing, of course, Spanish.
Well,
A little
un poquito. Yes, some basics. So it's funny because actually at the Sticks and Sushi in Copenhagen, in the sushi restaurant, I have met an amazing friend of mine, Spanish ex-model, she's so beautiful and I love her. She has beautiful personality and everything. So she was like, yes, you're going to Barcelona, it's my town, I'm gonna help you out. So she connected with me with my flatmate back then, so I was safe about my, And back to the story, so I was attending a raw vegan course. So I was actually learning more professional approach to vegan cuisine, but also from the raw, like I was mentioning before, you remember, without heating everything under below 42 Celsius degrees. So you get all the enzymes, everything you digest like immediately if you eat like this, yes. It's super helpful for you, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna sign up for this course. So I have signed up for this one, and
of course you needed, like, it cost a lot of money.
Yes. Oh my God, it was like a good couple of $1,000s. Like it was all my savings back then, and yeah, I was a little bit, like scared actually, like because I'm going all in. Like there was no way back. Yes. My family and my friends, they were like, are you really gonna put so much money in it? Like 20,000-30,000 Polish zlotys. But it's American prices. So again, if you spend a couple of $1,000 for a course and you sign up for 2, and actually I was quite sad I couldn't attend all 3 levels, because I would be able to teach people afterwards. After 3 levels, you could apply for
being a teacher.
Yes, and I was only able to pay for my two courses. Yes, 2 levels.
And you've done it.
Yes,
You've managed to do it.
Yes.
Okay, we are in the middle of cooking your main dish, so a vegan spaghetti. We already have the preparations, you've heard the story, so stay with us for the next episode to see how it actually works. And thank you very much for being with us.